Okay, Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, Salatu Wassalam ala Rasulillah. We are doing paper 1, booklet B. This is PSLE Foundation Math 2019. I'm going to start with question 21. These are all easy questions, but I'm going to do it anyway. So 21, find the value of 340 minus 24. So the way to do it is 340 minus, now 24 has to line up right below here. So make sure the digits are aligned properly. So we borrow 3, 1, 6, 1, 3. So this is our answer, 316. Part B, 45 times 6, so 45 times 6. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. So 270. So what you do now is to pause the video, try this question on your own. Once you're ready, you can continue the video, okay? Now this is question 22. Write 715 in numerals. Numerals means to write in numbers. So 700, write down 700. 15, write down 15. So you just add them together, so you get 517. 715. This is our answer. Part B, round 6 to 8 to the nearest 10. 6 to 8 to the nearest 10. So first we label the digits. This is ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds. Because we are interested in the nearest 10, we're going to underline 10, draw a line across, then draw an arrow like this. The number that the arrow is pointing to, if it is more than, it's 5 or more, then in this instance, this is 8, and 8 is more than 5, right? So we will do this. Put a 1 below, add this up. So 6, 3, and then we just add a 0 here. So this is 630. This is our answer. Okay, again, what you do now is pause the video, try the question on your own, and then once you're done, you can press play again. Question 23. Part A. Find the value of 1.53 plus 7.2. Now, when you see decimals, you have to make sure that you line up the decimal points. So 1.53 plus. Now 7.2, if it is 72, if it is 153, no decimals, okay? Plus 72, this is how we do it. But because there is a decimal place, we must make sure that we line up the decimal points. Then we can add them up. So here the answer is 7 and this is 8. This is our answer. So the thing you want to remember is decimal points must line up and then you can add. So you align the decimal points together. Okay, part B. 3 over 100 as a decimal. Now 3 over 100 means there are several ways to do it, okay? The easy way to do it is 3 divided by 100. Anything divided by 100, what do? This is 3, right? Number 3, when we have a whole number, number 3, the decimal point is here. And so divide by 100 means we're going to move to the left twice. 100 has got 2 zeros, so we're going to move the decimal point to the left twice. So what do we do now? We add zeros here. One more time. I'll make some space. So 3, decimal point is here. Move to the left because we're dividing by 100. So move to the left twice. 1, 2. And so the decimal point is here. We need a 0 here. And we need a 0 here. This is our answer. Okay, so this is the easiest way to do it. Again, what you do now is press pause, try the questions, and then you can continue again. Right, question 24. These are fractions. Now, when we want to add fractions, we have to make sure that the denominator, which is the lower number, are the same. Then we can add. If they are not the same, we cannot add. So we make them the same. So 3 times 2 will give us 6. If we multiply the bottom, if we multiply the denominator, we also have to multiply the numerator. And so we get 4 over 6 plus 1 over 6, and our answer is 5 over 6. This is our answer. We can't simplify anymore. We cannot divide. So this is our final answer. Part B. Now when we multiply, the denominators do not have to be the same. We only have to make sure that the denominators are the same when we plus or when we minus fractions. When we times or we divide, the denominators don't have to be the same. So what do? This is actually 1 times 3 over 2 times 4. And so we get 3 over 8. And this is our answer. Okay, we can't simplify anymore. So this is our final answer. Again, what you do now is pause the video, try the question, and then you can attempt the next question. Right, this is question 25. The table shows the number of books read by 3 children over 2 months. You've got 2 months, March and April. And you have 3 children, Rita, Suyin, and Tom. Okay, let's read part A. Who read 1 more book than Tom in April? So we're interested in April. I'm going to erase this first. So we are going to look only at the numbers in April. So who has read 1 more book than Tom? Tom read 5 books. So 1 more means Rita, 6. Because 6 is 1 more than 5. So our answer is Rita. So you have to be very careful when you read the question. What was the total number of books Rita read in March and April? Here we are interested only in Rita, so I'm going to erase this. Total number of books that Rita read will be 8 plus 6, and that's 14. This is our answer. Okay, again, press pause, try the question, and then you can move on to the next. Okay, question 26. 6% of 300. Now, percent means over 100. So 6% means 6 over 100. Of means times, and 300 just remains like this. Now, what do? We will write it this way. Okay. Now, before you do any multiplying, what you can do is, if you see zeros at the top and zeros at the bottom, it means that you can divide by 100. Okay, divide by 100, divide by 100. So cancel 1 0 at the bottom, you cancel 1 0 at the top, cancel 1 0 at the bottom, cancel another 0 at the top. This is very important. You have to cancel 1 at a time. Okay, that way you don't cancel too many zeros. So you're left with 6 times 3, and so our answer is 18. Okay, again, pause the video now, try the question, and then we will try question 27. Write down the first common multiple of 6 and 8. When we see the word multiple means multiplication table. So we will write out our multiplication table. Which multiplication table? It's times 6 and times 8. So let's write it out. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. We're going to stop here. We'll try the 8 times table now. 8, 16, 24, 32. Okay, there we go. We see the first common multiple. What's the first common multiple? What's the first number that appears in both times table? 24. And that's our answer, 24. Now we look at part B. 1 and 27 are factors of 27. When we see the word factors of 27, what it means is, we have to write this, okay? 1 times 27, you get 27. Can we do 2 times something to get 27? No, we can't. Okay, what else? We can have 3 times 9 equals 27. Anything else? Not 4, not in the 4 times table. 27 doesn't appear in the 4 times table, not in the 5 times table, but we have a 9 times table, and that's it. But notice that in the 9 times table, the two numbers are repeated, 3 times 9, 9 times 3, so we just cancel this out. Okay, so what are the two factors? Factors means, okay, all the factors of 27 will be this. We go this way, and then we go up this way. Okay, let me erase this so we don't get distracted. So the factors of 27 will be 1, 3, 9, 27. Now the question says 1 and 27 are factors. What are the other two factors? So we know that 1 and 27, that's already in the question. So the other two factors that are not in the question will be 3 and 9. So that's our answer, 3 and 9. Okay, please pause the video, try it out, and then you can continue again. Right, question 28. What is the area of triangle ABC? So to find area of triangle, first we have to remember the formula. Area of triangle is half times base times perpendicular height. Okay, now we want to know this triangle, area of ABC. So first we identify the base. What is the base? This is the base. What is the perpendicular height? This is the perpendicular height. Why is this perpendicular? See, 90 degrees. How do we know? 90 degrees here. Right, now all we have to do is put the numbers in. Half times base is 12, height is 9. Okay, now we will do it this way. Divide by 2. Okay, before we multiply things out, we can simplify. So if you look, 12 can be divided by 2, right? So we divide by 2 at the bottom. So 12 divided by 2, and we'll only take one number, okay? So 12 divided by 2 gives us 6. 9 remains. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So our answer is 9 times 6, right? And 9 times 6 is 54 cm square. Okay, the units is important, but the question also has it, so that's okay. 54 cm square. Now there's another method I'm going to show you. Let me erase first. So what you can do is, you just do 12 times 9. So let's do 12 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18. 9 times 1 is 10. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So 108. So we get 108 divided by 2. Then we divide 108 divided by 2. We get 5, 0, 0, bring down 8, 4, 8, 0. Okay, same answer, 54. Alright, so what you do is pause the video, try it out on your own, and then you can continue. Okay, I will stop here first. We will continue on the next video, inshallah.